Step 7, humbly ask Him to remove our shortcomings. And step 7, which is nothing more than a short prayer, suggested words. You can obviously make up your own words if you like, but we try to get the general point across that it's the higher power only that can remove these defects. That goes by the phrase in recovery circles of first things first. When we feel ourselves getting angry or afraid or jealous or impatient, we call a timeout. We get unlimited timeouts in life, and we try to get quiet. And step 7 begins to give us a useful prayer and some suggested words to use, such as, please remove every single defect of character that stand in the way of my usefulness to you and to other people. For once in our lives, we begin to look at that word useful as something that's really better to shoot for than trying to be happy. Many of us have found it futile to go after the pursuit of happiness, but instead what we learn when we try to be useful, we finally find the very happiness we've been searching for.